Project management in the age of AI and automation. In today's fast-paced technological landscape, project management has evolved significantly with the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation. As businesses strive to stay competitive and innovative, leveraging AI and automation in project management has become crucial for success. The impact of AI and automation on project planning. AI and automation have revolutionized project planning by streamlining processes, optimizing resource allocation, and enhancing decision-making capabilities. Automation, on the other hand, has enabled project teams to automate routine tasks, such as scheduling meetings, tracking progress, and generating reports, freeing up valuable time for more strategic work. The role of technology in agile methodologies. Agile methodologies have become increasingly popular in project management due to their iterative approach, flexibility, and focus on continuous improvement. The support of AI and automation, agile teams can collaborate more effectively, adapt to changes quickly, and deliver high-quality results. Leveraging machine learning for digital transformation. Machine learning plays a critical role in digital transformation by enabling organizations to analyze large datasets, uncover valuable insights, and make data-driven decisions. By harnessing the power of machine learning, project managers can drive innovation, optimize project delivery, and achieve greater success. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI and automation are transforming project management practices, driving efficiency, productivity, and success in the age of digital transformation. By leveraging AI-powered tools, organizations can streamline processes, optimize resource allocation, and enhance decision-making capabilities, leading to better project outcomes and greater competitive advantage.